Bluehost versus Liquid Web, choosing the right hosting provider for your needs. Welcome to this video, where we'll compare Bluehost and Liquid Web, two popular hosting providers catering to different audiences. Whether you're a blogger, web designer, or business owner, this guide will help you decide which is best for you. Stick around, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out the links for Bluehost and Liquid Web in the description below. What is Bluehost? Let's start with Bluehost, a hosting provider known for its affordability and simplicity. It's perfect for beginners, bloggers, and web designers who are just getting started or managing smaller projects. Pricing: Bluehost is one of the most affordable options out there. Its basic shared hosting plan starts at just $2.99 per month. For this price, you get a free domain for the first year, free SSL, and unmetered bandwidth. This makes it ideal for bloggers, freelancers, and small business websites. Ease of use: Bluehost offers a user-friendly experience with an intuitive control panel, one-click WordPress installation, and a range of tutorials. If you're not tech-savvy, Bluehost makes it easy to build and manage your website. Bluehost is particularly popular among bloggers who want to focus on creating content and web designers looking for a simple platform to host their clients' sites. What is Liquid Web? Now, let's talk about Liquid Web, which is designed for businesses and high-traffic websites that demand top-notch performance and reliability. Pricing: Liquid Web services reflect its premium focus. Plans for managed WordPress hosting start at $5.25 per month, while VPS hosting begins at $5 per month. The higher price tag comes with advanced features like dedicated resources and superior uptime. Ease of use: despite being a premium provider, Liquid Web keeps things user-friendly with its managed hosting solutions. This means their team takes care of server management tasks, so you can focus on your business. It's perfect for companies that need robust, hassle-free hosting. If you're running an e-commerce store, a growing business, or any site with high traffic, Liquid Web is a powerful and reliable option. Which one is right for you? Here's the key takeaway: Bluehost is an excellent choice for bloggers, web designers, and small websites. It's affordable, easy to use, and comes with all the essential features to get your site online quickly. Liquid Web is ideal for businesses, high-traffic websites, and anyone needing advanced performance. While it's more expensive, the premium features are worth it if you have complex needs. Why choose Bluehost for blogging and design? If you're a blogger or a web designer, Bluehost is the way to go. Its low cost means you can start your journey without a hefty investment, and its simplicity allows you to focus on writing content or building creative designs. Plus, with WordPress integration, it's a no-brainer for anyone working on WordPress websites. Why choose Liquid Web for business? For business owners or those managing critical projects, Liquid Web offers the peace of mind that comes with excellent uptime and managed services. Your website will perform smoothly, even during high-traffic periods, thanks to their dedicated resources. Final thoughts: both Bluehost and Liquid Web are excellent hosting providers, but they serve different needs. The best option for you depends on your goals, budget, and the type of website you're running. The links to both Bluehost and Liquid Web are in the description of this video. Use them to explore more and get started today. Subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. Your support helps me continue creating content like this to guide you. Thank you very much.